Hello everyone, welcome to the channel where we review paid apps that are free for the day. Today, we're reviewing the Couch to 5K running app. Here are a few screen previews of the Couch to 5K beginner running app. It features easy interval running plans. Another screen highlights real-time voice coaching and a run tracker, plus smart warm-ups before each session, cool-down guidance after every run, and smart feedback to improve your runs. From Couch to Fit, one step at a time. If we scroll to the in-app purchases section, lifetime access is 0 today. I'm going to install the app and activate it, then come right back. I'm back. I've installed the app and will activate it now. As you can see, lifetime access is showing as $0. I'll activate it. And we're back. Okay, you can see here. All set. The purchase was successful for $0. I tapped OK. Now we need to build our plan. I'll press Build Plan and select Continue on the next screen. I'll set gender to male and choose a random age. Let's do that. We can do it. Let's do that and then tap Next. Another random selection here. Let's do that. Entering 106 pounds just to move forward. We'll set the plan for a 5K run. We'll keep that plan and it shows the results. We're not alone. Over 2 million people have set this goal. Let's continue. The app asks, have you run regularly before? I'll select yes and continue. Are you actively doing any other aerobic exercise? I'll choose from time to time and tap next. It says you're 3 times more likely to stay on track using the app than trying on your own. It's encouraging to use the app rather than trying on your own. A 5K run. Now, how motivated are you to reach your goal? This is still part of onboarding. I'm pretty ready. I celebrate small wins. Next, how do you keep yourself motivated? My answer, I celebrate small wins along the way. Maintaining motivation is key. Next, on which days would you like to run? To run? Let's pick Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Early in the morning, let's do 5:45 a.m. Next, still onboarding. I don't want notifications for now. Share it. We can share it with friends. How did you hear about the app? The question is, how did I hear about this app? I searched for it. Tap Next. That's it according to the app. Now let's build a plan. For now, I don't need anything else. Notifications. I'll say, enjoy C25K. Let's move forward and give it 5 stars since the app is free today. The app's name is C25K, C as in the letter C. I'll submit the 5-star rating. I could try it here, but I'm not ready to run yet. Go ahead and download the app and let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel where we review paid apps that are free for the day. Thank you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.